Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial for a white peach look. And it's just this look right here. It's kind of a daytime light smoky eye that would be appropriate to wear to work, to your kids' school, to run errands. It's very understated, but it's still beautiful. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then please stick with me. I'm going to be doing a voiceover and it's my first time trying this, so I hope it goes well. We'll see. I am taking Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and I am applying that all over my eyelids from my lash line to my eyebrow. I'm taking peach cream and I'm using just a fat Coastal Scents eyeshadow brush and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid from my lash line to my eyebrow. I'm taking NYX glitter glue and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelids, and that's just going to keep the shimmering shades from falling out. I'm taking the shade Glistening Peach and using a flat packing brush, I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid. And I really want to pack it on there so that it's opaque and gives a nice color payoff. I'm cleaning my brush off with the brush cleaner. Using that same brush, I'm going to take Peaches and Dreams and I'm going to use that flat packing brush and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. And what that's going to do is it's going to give the peach look that I want, but the undertone will be that glistening peach, so it'll be a pretty rose undertone. Next, I'm going to take a crease brush and I'm going to work that Peaches and Dreams and Glistening Peach into the bottom of my crease. I'm going to use the color Fuzzy, and then I'm going to use a base shadow brush, and I'm just going to work that shade into the bottom of my crease. I don't want to go above my crease like I normally do since I have hooded eyes. I just want it to be a nice, pretty shadowed look. Using a crease brush, I'm going to work that shade Fuzzy into the bottom of my crease. Using the shade Creme de la Peach, I'm going to use that base shadow brush and I'm going to work that into my bottom crease just to add some pretty depth. Using a crease brush, I'll work that shade into the bottom of my crease. Using tape, I'm going to extend that tape from the curve of my eye, bottom eyelid, up to the tail of my eyebrow, and that's just going to keep the eyeshadow from extending too far out since I am about to use a darker shade. I'm going to apply Peach Passion to the outer half of my eye. I'm not going to extend all the way to the middle of my eye, but I'm going to extend pretty close, and I just want to add several layers of this color to give a nice deep smoky effect. I'm using a blending brush and I'm going to diffuse that dark color into my crease and across my eyelid. I forgot to say this earlier, but I am using a pointed definer brush to apply Peach Passion, and here I'm going in on the outer 1/3 and I'm applying another layer just to deepen it. Once I've deepened the V of my eyelid, I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm just going to blend that out so there's no harsh edges. And now I'm taking the tape off, and that actually is going to leave a little bit of a harsh edge, so what I'll do is blend that out later. I'm using an accent brush and I'm going to use the color Fuzzy, and I'm going to apply that on my bottom lash line. Using that same accent brush, I'm going to use the color On the Grill and I'm going to apply that to my bottom lash line as well. And then I'm going to take a smudger brush and I'm just going to smudge that out so that it's diffused. And then I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to blend out the harsh edge that the tape left behind. I'm taking the color Peach Cream and I'm just using that fat Coastal Scents eyeshadow brush and I'm going to apply that color under my brow bone to highlight that area. And then I'm going to take the color Peach Ice And I'm using an accent brush, and I'm just going to highlight the inner tear duct. And this is the final look. It's just a subtle smoky eye, and it's diffused around the bottom, which I think is really pretty and just kind of makes the eye look larger. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, and I hope to see you again soon.